This is Mrs. Whelan, and I'm going to do a little sight word lesson. So one way that I like to teach and review sight words is by writing them on a dry erase board with a dry erase marker. And say we're reviewing or practicing like. So I tell the students to take a picture of it with their brain, and then I hide it, and I erase a letter, and I say, what letter did I erase? K, like, L-I-K-E. And then I do that so on and so forth, and then I say, spell the whole thing, L-I-K-E. And then I would tell the students to then write the word on their dry erase board. And so then after we're done with that, we might use a word bank. And so we have the sight words here, but they're not in order. And then I would have them write a sentence with the word like in it. So like is of course here, and they could use that. And if you don't want them to use it, then take it away. But if they need it, then leave it. This also offers a word bank, because there are words in this particular one. There's words underneath the letters. So K, kite, and it spells out kite. Oh, maybe they want to write I like kites. They could write that. If your child is having difficulty, you can use this, these lines to write the words, and it will give them the spaces so that they're not putting all of the letters together in their sentence. So let's go ahead and begin. So brainstorm things that you might like. I. Sentence begins with a capital letter. Like. I'm going to say, I like to go to the, and all of those sight words are in my word bank. And I'll pick something from here. Oh, Z has a zebra, and that reminded me of the zoo. And when you write zoo, if the only sound that you know is Z's, then just write that. That's perfectly fine at this kindergarten level. If you know zoo, then you can write zoo. You can also help your child along. Oh, how do we spell zoo again? And then you can erase a letter. Oh, zoo. What letter did I erase? Z. And then, you can do it that way. This particular letter page has the digraphs sh, sh, and what. So if they want to write, I like to go to the zoo with my, F for family, so that they can write more. So if you have a learner that is able to write more, go for it. Have them write 3 sentences or even more, or write a whole story. That's totally up to you. Thank you. See you next time.